Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Let's start with the bullish and the bearish scenario overview. For near, we have 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then probably, of course, 3 waves up again in W, X, and Y. Your wave Y can hit between the 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level, giving, of course, a price at $22 and 0.618 for $14 as well. And in this case, you would like to finish only 3 waves structured to the upside after, of course, 3 waves up, 3 waves down. In case we are impulsive, you would like to finish 5 waves structured to the upside, hitting the 1-to-1 fib level and 1.05 fib level between the $40 and $48 here for an impulse, of course, to finish a wave C 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, we're gonna see which one is going to unfold. Currently, we are looking at an A, B, and a C correction here for a wave 2 after an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. A, B, C for a wave 2, probably the blue box, but not necessarily. We're gonna see what we have if we took the low. It can be, of course, much more than enough to move for higher. We're gonna check this, of course. In case we are in 3 waves up, 3 waves down, you might, of course, take a look here for an impulse toward the upside, which is gonna finish the 3-wave structure as expected for a W, X, and a Y. So higher possibility here is, of course, still for the bullish in case, of course, we drop a little bit and move for higher, or in case we move higher from here. Let's move inside the 4-hour chart here. On the 4-hour chart, we are looking at the following scenario. We have a double 1-2s here. And we have, of course, a finish 1, 2, 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, probably finished, of course, in the blue zone here, but we did not took, of course, the high, the low here for wave 3, which is not, of course, very nice. It can be a truncation here because you can call 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Actually, your wave 5 here has took the low, meaning, of course, this wave 5 here is lower than this wave 3. That means this is your wave 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And as you can see, it has failed to take the low, meaning, of course, truncation here, because when you get a 5 impulsive waves toward the downside as a wave 5, and it fails to take, of course, the low here for your wave 3, meaning this might be a truncation, and a truncation is a signal of power, and it means of reversal, right? So we would like to see, of course, therefore, a reversal toward the upside here, possibly after finishing this structure here, and it might, of course, finish in WXY as well, in case we couldn't anyway finish for 5 for 5s toward the downside. And that means, of course, you can have a W here, kind of like a wave X here, or a zigzag for a wave X, or even 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 truncated in an A, B, and a C. So let's mark this, of course, in case we have an A, B, and a C exactly here in the, let's put it in the pink scenario as well. Here we go. So this might be your scenario here as well for a correction, that it might be finished as, of course, truncation. Let's move to the 1-hour chart to see this, of course, move toward the upside and the signals that it is giving us, of course, in case we are impulsive for higher prices. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1 here, wave 2 possibly, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 again, invalidation. So you have 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 1, wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 5 even, not reached even the very nice impulse toward the upside here. And obviously it has took, of course, the wave 1 here zone, meaning, of course, corrective. Nothing is impulsive yet, so we have still, of course, to wait to see much better signals for near. Probably we still corrective, and probably we still continue with the scenario of many impulses towards the downside, but we have to consider definitely a wave 5 has been given here. Probably you are currently in a wave 4 in this scenario, which is a pink scenario, and maybe we're gonna reach to a wave 5 to finish a wave 3, and then 4 and a 5 still on the move. Yeah, so we have to be careful with it. Nothing is impulsive yet. We don't see any kind of impulse. And by the way, if you think this is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wave 3 is the shortest between your wave 1 and your wave 5. So already invalidation. That was it for near price prediction. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.